This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a Kubota SSV65. This is a 2022 model. These are about 65 horsepower, 2,000 pound lift machine, vertical lift boom. Has the 1200 16.5 tires. We did just put two new rear tires on there. The front tires are good 50%. Have the nice light package, auxiliary hydraulics. We've got our skid steer quick attach plate, hydraulically operated there. And of course, the flip up door in the cab. This is a hand and foot machine equipped with heat, air conditioning, radio, and 2-speed. I'm going to give you the view here. Put our door down. You can see good viewing. And your controls down the side there. Almost 3,000 hours. 2965 currently. Overall, pretty nice machine.